She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes, where today we're going to go ahead and make a loaded mashed potato casserole. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this loaded mashed potato casserole. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so we can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this loaded mashed potato casserole. It's full of bacon, cheese, and sour cream. It's a perfect, easy side dish for a weeknight meal or jazz it up for the holidays. Hope you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love a good loaded mashed potato. Share this video out, Definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.